have the parallel and the perpendicular line, yeah, where the parallel is the line that always have the same distance and then goes to the same direction, and then this line never meets. While the perpendicular is the line meet at the right angle. As you see this, we say this is the right angle because it is really straight. Jadi ada dua garis lurus yang bertemu meeting at a point, bertemu di satu titik, itu namanya perpendicular. Sometimes it cross over. Kadang-kadang seperti ini kalau kita di perempatan, when you drive by your car or by your motor, ya, and then we see the junction, terus kita ketemu perempatan. Nah, ini namanya meeting at a point. Di tengah-tengahnya ini namanya point, titik tengah, ya. And then these have the right angle. Ini namanya right angle. Garis A, can you see my screen? Garis A ketemu garis B.
Ya.
Ya, di sini di titik 0, di titik O, ya. Garis B ketemu garis C also in at the O. And then garis C ketemu garis D di mana? At the letter
O.
So we say this is the right angle. We say this is the right angle because this straight line, karena dua garis lurus bertemu pada satu titik, itu namanya membentuk and then create the angle, dan membentuk sudut. Ya, what is angle actually? Terus apa yang dimaksud dengan sudut ya? Sudut itu apa sih? Angle itu apa sih? Angle itu apa sih? Nah, let's see. An angle is the amount of turning between two lines that meet. In 3, we read together. 3, 2, 1. An
Angle is the amount of turning between two lines that meet.
There are lots of Here are 2 examples in your classroom. Yeah. For example, it is also at your home, right? Nah, stop. Misalnya ini, angle itu adalah sejumlah titik perputaran, ya, sejumlah turning itu apa ya? Amount of turning, jumlah titik perputaran. Misalnya kalau dari A, ya, and then bergeser and then goes to B. Nah, for how big is the turning point-nya, ya? So when A move to B, then we say this is the angle. Kalau ini kan tadi titik poinnya, titiknya, vertex disebutnya, ya, titiknya. But this one is the amount. Ini jumlahnya, jumlah pergeseran, ya, amount of turning. Jumlah bergesernya berapa? Berapa jauh dia bergeser from A to B? From A to B. Now, do you have the 2 ruler? Do you have 2 ruler? Kamu punya 2 penggaris nggak di situ?
Ya.
Coba Miss Debbie dipin dulu, Miss Debbie dipin. I have 2 ruler.
But not the same.
Yeah, it's okay. I have 2 ruler.
Small.
Ya, Miss Debbie dipin ya. Miss Debbie dipin ya.
Yeah.
Okay, I have 2 ruler. If I move 2 ruler, ini kan ada yang pendek kan ya? Ada yang pendek. Yeah. If I move the short ruler to another place like this, now I'm making an angle. Maka Miss Debbie sedang membuat sudutnya, yaitu apa? Ini di tengah-tengnya ini. The amount of turning. Jumlah pergeserannya. Jumlah pergeserannya itu berapa disebut angle, ya. So I'm making, you can follow me if you have 2 ruler. Yeah, I'm making the angle like this. This is we call it acute. Sudut lancip. Kalau yang ini I'm making the
90
right angle. Yeah, 90 degree. We call it right angle because I put two straight line karena Miss Debbie sedang membuat ini satu garis lurus dan dua garis lurus. Dua garis lurus ya at the 90 degree we call it right angle, sudut siku-siku. But before 90, tapi kalau sebelum 90 ini kan 90 ya. Sebelum 90 berarti it's smaller than 90. We call it acute. Ya.
Cute.
Kita bilangnya acute, sudut lancip. Kalau kurang dari 90, ini 90, right angle. It's exactly meeting at a point two straight line. Lurus ke atas, lurus ke samping, right? Before, kalau before apa katanya Miss Debbie tadi bilang apa? Kalau before 90 berarti gini kan? I put at the same place again. Sampai Miss Debbie balikin lagi. You can follow me, ya. You can follow me sampai Miss Debbie balikan lagi. So I'm making an acute. Miss Debbie bilang apa? Acute.
Cute.
Acute angle. Sudut lancip. So, and then it's back again. So, what we say the angle is the amount of turning. Jumlah pergeseran. Berapa besarnya pergeserannya ya from the two straight line that have the amount of turning. Ini. This is smaller than 90. How about if it is bigger than 90? Kalau ini 90, berarti bigger kemana? Where,
Bawah lagi.
yeah, where should I move my short ruler? Where?
Here.
Where to? Ya, ada boardnya ya, ada papan tulisnya. Miss Debbie bikin garisnya sangat lurus. So I'm making this, and then I'm moving. I will move this bigger than 90. Berarti ke bawah. You were right. Ke bawah. And then this is we call it obtuse. Apa namanya?
Yes.
Obtuse. Ulangi.
Obtuse.
Obtuse. Bigger
Obtuse.
than 90. Terus bigger than 90. And then I can move it. Ini namanya sudut. Ini namanya garis lurus. No angle. Tidak ada angle di sini ya. Tapi angle-nya dari sini sampai sini 180. Kalau di sininya tidak ada angle. So we call it straight line. Kita bilang garis lurus. Now I'm going to move again. Terus Miss Debbie tambahin lagi. Until it's back. It's still obtuse. Ini masih obtuse namanya ya. Because this is bigger than 90. Yeah, and then back again. So we say from the beginning, jadi kita bilangnya kalau ini 90. Ya? Everyone understand here? Miss Debbie, supaya kalian jelas ya. Miss Debbie now, 90 ditambah 90 berapa? Siapa yang tahu? Ini kan 90 lagi.
90 ditambah 90.
180. Kalau Miss Debbie tambahkan lagi 90?
270.
270. If I'm making bigger again, and then back. How many?
300.
360
60.
degree. 360 degree, correct ya.
Oh ya, 360.
So we say one circle. Itu kita bilangnya satu lingkaran. Ya.
I just realized it.
Smaller, ingat-ingat istilahnya, ingat-ingat. If it is smaller berarti ke sini masuk lagi ya. If it is smaller, then we say acute. Apa?
Acute.
Acute. If it is bigger, ke bawah terus muter, we call it obtuse. Obtuse. Apa? What did I say? Obtuse. Ya. Sudut tumpul. Okay, now let's see again. Siap-siap drawing ya, everybody. Now back again with this perpendicular. Kalau ini sudah, ya. So we say that before it's 90 degree. 90, 90, 90, 90, and then make a circle. Ya, 360 degree. All the circle. Miss Debbie wants you to answer number 2. Who wants to answer? Look at each group of lines. A, B, C, D, F. Yang mana katanya tick the perpendicular line. Would you like to annotate? Kamu mau annotate? Miss Debbie. Udah kok. Udah bisa. Tick, put a tick for the perpendicular.
Perpendicular itu yang atas kan?
Yang perpendicular itu yang bikin 90 degree tadi.
Oke.
Two straight line meeting at a point. Yes, Keiko. Edward, ayo Edward, bisa nggak? Which one, Edward? Which one? Halo, Edward. Ya, which one? Mana?
I.
Ya. Mana lagi?
Wait, Miss. Can I turn off my camera? I think it's kind of glitching.
Ya, sure.
Thank you.
Is there anything? Is there any? Ada loh, ada lagi loh. Perpendicular itu meeting at a point at 90 degree. Mana yang seperti penggaris
I
tadi?
know.
90 degree.
Miss Debbie.
I'm here. Dan? Oke, now let's see ya. Kalau perpendicular itu bertemu di satu titik, correct ya, this is correct. Kalau parallel kan ini not meet ya, nggak ketemu ya. This one is not. As you see on my screen before, when we have the two ruler, waktu kita bikin tadi pakai penggaris, ini namanya apa? Ini, do you think this is bigger or smaller than 90? Ini kan 90 yang ini tadi Miss Debbie pakai penggaris, ya? Atau Miss Debbie tadi pakai penggarisnya seperti ini, like this. This is 90 degree. But do you think that B, apakah kamu pikir yang ini, yang B ini? This one, ini udah tadi ya. Do you think this one is smaller or bigger or the same 90 degree? Coba kira-kira ini sudutnya ini apa? Acute. Acute berarti kurang dari 90 atau obtuse? Apa? Lebih besar apa lebih kecil? Ini lebih kecil, ini lebih besar. Ayo, yang ini.
Kecil.
Lebih kecil, so it is not. Ini bukan berarti, ya. This one is correct because this is 90 degree. The same like this, ya. Correct. This one is parallel. No. This one is perpendicular. Correct. How about this? Katanya Jason pilih ini. Jason, as you see on my screen, lihat nih ya. Yang tadi 2 penggaris. Kalau Miss Debbie pakai penggaris ini 1, penggaris ini 1. Do you think this is acute or obtuse? Lebih kecil apa lebih besar? Yang ini.
Lebih
Garis 1 dan garis 2.
yang lebih
Garis
kecil,
1, ini garis 1, ini garis 2. Line
lebih
2,
kecil.
line 1. Do you think this angle is smaller or bigger? Yang ini. Ini sudutnya, angle-nya bigger or smaller? Ya, apa? Ini bukan ya, because we don't have 90 degree. Now Miss Debbie wants to ask the alphabet. Do you know alphabet, right? A, B, C, D, E, F. Yeah. Number 3. List the first 10 letter of the alphabet in capital. Huruf besar yang punya garis paralel atau perpendicular. For example, ya. For example, kalau misalnya hurufnya I spell in English. Parallel or perpendicular? Ini kan gini. Coba everybody can write I. Everybody can write. Setiap anak coba tulis A atau I. Ya, tulis. Yes. Where is the parallel? Paralelnya mana coba? You can annotate. Dilingkari yang paralelnya yang mana? Lingkari. Yes, correct Keiko. Abim. Coba ini. Miss Debbie punya ini, please.
This one.
Oh, what is that? Yang merah siapa ini? Nih, Miss Debbie punya ini. I have E and where is? Yeah, where is the parallel? Circle it. Coba circle pakai warna yang lain. Oke, Clara. Where is the parallel? Parallel berarti yang ini kan? This one. Ya. Oke, now everybody can draw on your graph paper. Sekarang semuanya menggambar. Sekarang semuanya menggambar di graph di papernya.
Draw yang mana, Miss?
That have parallel or perpendicular. Yang pakai penggaris ya?
Ya, yang nomor 2.
Ya, number 3 itu number 3. Number 3.
Berarti cari
atau nggak pakai nomor juga nggak apa-apa. Langsung aja alfabetnya. I, ini mesti pakai penggaris ya. Ya, Miss Debbie nggak pakai penggaris. Miss Debbie bisa deh pakai penggaris. Oke, I'm going to take a line. Ya.
Obatnya kecil boleh.
I.
I use big.
Apa? E.
Yes, I. Ya, E.
I use big square.
Ya, square grid book di buku garis-garis, buku kotak-kotak.
Yang besar. I use it.
That's fine, that's fine.
Ini gambar yang sekarang ini digabung sama gambaran yang kemarin, Miss.
Yes, you can.
Oh iya ya gitu.
I will use
And then you have to circle it. Sesudah itu sekarang dilingkari. Where is the perpendicular? Ini.
Oh, no.
Now
We submit this.
I make this circle. This is ditulis nanti. Perpendicular. Yuk semuanya ikuti ya. Tulis huruf E. Perpendicular or tegak lurus. Bahasa Indonesianya tegak lurus. Ya.
Like this.
Yes, correct. Mana lagi? Where is the other one? Mana lagi? You can circle it. Ini ya. Perpendikularnya ada 3. 1. Di circle. 2. And then 3.
Can we write out the letters?
Yeah, sure.
Berarti ini boleh 90 derajat ya boleh.
It should be 90 degree.
Oke.
Kan ini ya, huruf E itu kan perpendikular. Mesti lurus ya.
Ya.
Oke, Miss Debbie mau tanya Jason. Jason, have you draw? Udah digambar belum, Jason? Mana bukunya? Bukunya mana, Jason? Wah, bukan guling. Bukunya mana? Jason, do you have a book? Do you have? Where? Buku kotak-kotak, Jason. Buku kotak-kotak.
Can I show it? I already made one myself.
Ya. Bukunya kotak-kotak ya, Jason? Ya, sekarang digambar. With the ruler.
Like
Dengan
this.
garis.
Miss, habis ditulis E-nya, tulis pendikular. Sama
And then you circle it. Dan kemudian kamu lingkari mana yang perpendikular. Ini
Like this,
perpendikular.
Like this.
Ya, ini perpendikular juga ya.
Oh,
Atau
so
gini ya.
all of it
atau
is
gini.
perpendicular.
Kasihnya pakai number aja deh. Miss Debbie wants to give you the number. Ini number 1 and number 2 ya. And then number 3. So we have 4 lines ya. Number 1 temennya number 2 perpendikularnya. And then number 1 with the number 3. Number 1 with the number 4. Gitu ya. Pasangannya, the pair.
I use
Perpen. Waduh, kurang ini N. Kurang N. Perpendicular. Garis 1 dengan garis 2. Line 1 and line 3. Line 1 and line 4. So that's all perpendicular. From
I
the
write
letter
L2.
E.
I write L2.
Oh, you write L. Oke, sekarang Clara say, let's draw L. Gambar. L, huruf L. Bigger, it's fine. Boleh gede juga boleh. And then the other. Yeah, correct. Yeah, thank you, Clara. Now,
Yes.
Miss Debbie will write.
Miss, I didn't draw L, I just draw F and E.
F and E, that's fine. That's fine. You can find.
Okay.
Give the number of line. Terus kasih nomor ya. Garisnya dikasih nomor. Garisnya dikasih nomor. This is number 1, garis 1, and then garis 2. So the pair of perpendicular is 1 and 2. Ya, pasangannya itu. Jason, ruler, penggaris. Pakai penggaris ya, Jason. Can you draw? Jason, bisa gambarnya? Bisa? Bisa?
Can I draw H?
H. H. Okay, H, ya. Sure.
Let's spell the
Let me draw H for you.
H.
H.
each like have like half maybe.
Where is the line of perpendicular? Where is it?
Can I unknown it?
No. Nanti aja. Miss Debbie give you the number. Okay. So what are the pair? Pasangannya apa?
1 and 2.
Ya, yang kedua tuh ke sana arahnya.
Yeah, right.
Yeah,
1
1
and
and
2.
2, and then the other one? The other?
3 and
2 and? 2 and?
2 and 3.
2 and 3. Ya.
Oh yeah, I get it.
Okay, everyone can follow me. Yo, bisa ikutin ya.
This is so fun.
You like it? You like to draw ya?
Yeah.
Jason, bisa Jason? Can you draw?
L sama H-nya digambar, Miss.
Yes.
L.
So we have 3 letter. Jadi kita punya 3. Cheryl, are you done? Cheryl sudah yang H. Dan E, L, and H.
Di situ nomornya juga ditulis.
Yes, sure. You have to write the number. Kan ini pasangannya 1 dan 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Maria Selena, are you done? Oke, 3 letter. Udah, 3-3-nya. Done? Oke, correct.
Wait, Miss.
I'm still waiting. Jonathan, Christabel, are you done drawing? Abim?
Done, Miss.
Oh, not done. Okay, Miss Debbie will wait for you. Patricia, done?
I am done, Miss.
Okay, good.
Miss,
Patricia, are you
Miss.
done?
Done, Miss.
Itu di samping nomor 2 ada panah, itu maksudnya gimana?
Number 2, line 2. Line 2 is goes to the right. Artinya line 2 itu ke kanan. Arahnya ke kanan, dari kiri ke kanan.
Oh ya, Miss.
Atau dari kanan ke kiri juga bisa. Maksudnya yang mendatar. The horizontal. Ya. Number 2 horizontal. Number 1 and 3 is vertical. 1 dan 3 itu dari atas ke bawah.
F to F.
F. Okay, I'm going to draw.
T. T.
Oh yeah, T.
T. Similar.
T, ya. T and apa tadi? F ya?
I.
F.
Ya,
F.
F dulu, F dulu, F dulu. F first, F. I'm going to draw F. Can you see the green one?
No.
Huh?
Yes.
Green. I make the line by green. Green color. F. And the other one is F again.
Oh,
I'll make it. I'm going to make it longer. How about this? Yeah, this one, okay? Is it okay?
Yeah.
Now I'm going to put the line. Line 1, line 2, and then line 3 goes down, ke bawah.
Yeah.
Okay, what are the pair? Sekarang pasangannya apa? Yo.
3 and 1.
1 and 3. Gini ya. What other? Everybody else can answer. Yuk. Apa lagi pasangannya?
1 and 3. 3 and
Ya. 2 and
2 and 3.
3. Ke perpendicular. Ya.
Is that
What was it before? Letter?
T? T.
Letter T. Okay, Miss Debbie will draw with
T.
the warnanya apa ya? I'm going to make the letter with the purple. T. Ini yang T di mana ya? Di sini aja ya. Wait. I'm using my ruler. Here we will go.
T was. It's like art, but alphabet too.
Yeah, make it half.
Mm-hmm.
No, make it like this. Yep. And then I will give the...
I. How about I?
Oh, I. Okay, wait. This one first. Number 1 and then number 2
I?
going down. What are the pair? This is only one pair ya. Ini cuma satu ya pasangannya ya. 1 and 3. Okay, what else? Tadi bilangnya apa? What did you say?
I. Not just say I.
Okay,
I.
Okay, I.
That's all.
I love math and science.
EFLH.
Like it, Clara? Capital ya, ini kan semua capital. I. Okay. I with what is the pair? Kalau I pasangannya apa? Where is the line? Only one line. Or
Enggak, I-nya yang kapital.
okay, capital. Maybe you think like this?
I.
Like this, right?
Oh.
Yes.
Okay. Then let's draw the let's write the number. 1, ini 2 going down, 2-nya ke bawah ya, and then this is number 3.
1. So it's I.
Okay. 1 and
2.
1 and 2. Other?
2 and 3.
Okay, correct. 2 and 3.
3. Yeah.
Everybody has
2
been
and
good
3.
today. Yep. 5 more minutes. Come on, guys. Jason, sudah belum, Jason?
I'm
Drawing.
done.
Everybody done with the T, with the
I'm
F,
done.
and then the
Wait,
I?
Miss.
Ya, sudah belum semuanya? Maria Selena,
tunggu.
are you done? Maria Selena, are you done?
Then 1.
Oke, nanti
2,
coba let me see your
3.
book, Maria. Let me see your book.
1, 2.
Show me your book. Okay, where is the letter I? Letter I-nya mana? Huruf I-nya mana? Huruf I. Oh, that one. And where is the pair? Pasangannya mana? Have you draw the number? Numbernya mana numbernya? Okay, good. Yeah. Did you use the ruler? Oh, very good. You draw so fast. Patricia, how about you? Done? Patricia, done?
2M fits.
I'm done.
M itu masuk.
Christabel, Abim, Jonathan, are you done? Jonathan.
Dan
Jonathan sudah belum? Halo. Jonathan. Mana nih Jonathan? Christabel? Christabel.
Then, Miss.
Oke. Nanti tunjukkan ke Miss Debbie loh ya. I want to see.
Okay.
Miss Debbie will stop share and then I will pin you. I'm going to see your work. Oke, Keiko dan ya. Keiko dan Jocelyn dan.
Done.
Oke, Angela. Jonathan, I was calling you since before. Jonathan. Abim. Edward dan Cheryl.
I'm done.
Okay, good. Jevan dan Jevan. Oh, Jevan ke toilet maybe. Nathan, how about you?
Miss.
Are you done?
I'm
Okay, good. Now Miss Debbie will stop share ya. Stop share ya. I'm going to check yours. Yo, 3 menit lagi to check. Miss Debbie wants to see. Coba Jevan, can you Miss Debbie pin Jevan? Can you please show the work?
Done, Miss.
Mana?
Ini, Miss. Nih. Kelihatan deh.
Oh ya. Ke atas dikit. Oke, very good, Jevan. Very neat. Ya, bagus, rapi. Ya, correct.